Who's that?
Mary Queen.
Mayron McQueen?
Okay.
Okay. Welcome back, everyone. Oh no! Mr. Friday here, and big news, big stuff. Got a package. Got a package right over here. Wonder what it could be. Is it for the 240?
Oh no.
I think it is. So let's go ahead and unbox it and get to work. Hurt? All right, let's open this up. What we got here? Slip yoke for the transmission. This is for W58. Let's see right here. This is R154. See, there's a little bit of size difference. We'll kind of go, yeah, we're gonna put this on the drive shaft and put the clutch in, or put the slave cylinder in, the transmission mount on, and we'll see if we can get this thing rolling. Okay. All right, so have to put this on here somehow. So what we're gonna do, have these little bearings. Kind of get them in right here for the first one. So let's get handy dandy mallet and tappy tap. Let's find a better spot. It's on the ground. And block away. There. Somewhat flush, which I don't want it to be, because I need to put these clips in right there. So what I'm going to do now, you hurt. Oh no. Oh no. I did the wrong thing first.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Help?
No.
Help?
Help. Thank you. Okay, move.
Hurt?
It hurt, yeah.
Ow.
Alright, so a little hammering, everything. Got that in, got the clips in, drive shaft, everything. Let's go put it underneath the car. I only got like 30 minutes, 20 minutes now, and after that I have to finish tomorrow. So let's go ahead and at least get this in. Oh no. Alright, so the slip yoke is in. Now it's time for the back. In. What's up everyone, it's the next morning. What I did this morning and last night was put on the transmission mount, and I put on the slave cylinder. Since I didn't have anyone to help me, I just did a gravity bleed on the clutch, so now I have clutch pressure. Lawman's gonna go in the car, because guess what, we're gonna start her up. I'm going to put it in gear, and since it's still up, we're going to see if the tires move, because that shows me that it's working, right? So I kind of need to extend or lengthen the drive shaft about 3 inches, because it's only like maybe this much in the transmission, so I want a little bit more, so 3 more inches maybe, lengthen the drive shaft. But let's go ahead, start her up, and get the wheels moving. Alright, so it was a couple days later. Ashley helped me get the car done right, and we drove the car. You know, it moves and drives, so that is a great time. Other things I'm going to be doing with it is oil changes, changing out fluid stuff. But other than that, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.